Hey there, it is February 15th, 2015. I just want to give you a little look at what the snow in Boston's been like the last month. So this is East 8th Street, East 8th Street. It was a two-way street. It's now been turned into a one-way street by the city. Although it's not bad, you might be able to fit two cars. This is what all of the sidewalks are like. The residents are supposed to shovel the sidewalk, and I think you can get a fine for not shoveling, but I don't know how much that's actually enforced. I was told, or threatened, I guess, that I could get a $200 fine for shoveling snow into the road. So that's the real deal. Here's a big snowbank. That's probably 10 or 12 feet high, I guess. Everyone's out shoveling. Here's a car that hasn't been shoveled. All the storms. Here's our driveway, which I just spent probably about 3.5 hours shoveling. You can see the pile of snow behind my truck. That's probably 12 feet high or something too, maybe more. This is how much snow we got last night. So I guess that's probably almost up to my knee. So the way I've been shoveling is I'll drive my truck up, shovel